it's Zahava here from Blossoming at Home. Today I want to teach you how to make a bracelet out of threads. So what you need is thick threads. You also need tape so you can stick it on the table so it doesn't move. And what you also need are big round beads. Now the beads should mostly be wooden, like preferably they are wooden, but if you have plastic or glass, it doesn't matter. It's just beads you need. So what we're going to do with it is we are going to make like knitted sort of, but not knitted. It's like with our hands we're going to do it. So now you're going to learn how to do it. Here we go. Now we need to take the thread and put it around your hand and measure it. So if you have to make it like a bit longer than the hand, and then you have to make it twice. So like this. Now we will cut it off. We'll cut it off, and now you need to make the same for the second thread. You need to do like this and make it like this, and then like this, so you can put it on top. Now we cut it and then we start. So what we are going to do is we're going to put this here on the table. We're going to put some tape on the top, and we're going to tape it onto the table so it doesn't wiggle and doesn't disturb us. And now we do like this. We put this on the string, on the thread. Now I'm using one, but you can use as many as you want. Then you put this one underneath, the big one, above the bead, and then you can also tape it on the bottom. It will make your life easier, and then it will also not wiggle on the bottom. Like this. Now we put it up like on the corners, and we have to make it as straight as possible. Now we make a knot on the top like this, and you make a knot. Now what you do is you have to remember one time you will go left, one time you will go right. So if you want, you can have a helper, like you put the thread here and then you say, okay, I will put this string on top. So now I put this on top, and now I take this one, I put it on top of this, and then I pass it underneath these, and I take the two corners and make as if I'm making another knot. Now you see it's going to build up, and now I put it on this side. So I have a reminder that I'm on this side. Now I do like this. Then again, I put this on top of that one, but this has to always be on top of the one in the middle. Now this goes underneath the one that's above, on top of the middle one, and underneath the middle, and then we do like this. Now we use the string again so we remember. Now again we do like this, above, on top of this string, and underneath. If it doesn't work, it's okay, because it's not so easy to do this type of a bracelet, but you will get used to it because It's also not so difficult. Now we put it on top again, and it will always go the same, just from left to right, and you will always change sides.